case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1994, Mable Wallace sued Indianapolis Public Schools, IPS, and Harriet Rosen, a teacher, for battery following an incident that occurred during a fire drill at Northwest High School. As the fire alarm went off, Wallace was at the top of a staircase speaking with her daughter and a friend. Rosen, who was leading her class downstairs, told Wallace to move. Wallace claimed Rosen pushed her down the stairs, leading to the lawsuit. The trial court instructed the jury on the defenses of contributory negligence and incurred risk rather than battery as requested by Wallace. In this case, liability depended on whether Rosen's actions were intentional or negligent. The jury ultimately ruled in favor of IPS and Rosen, prompting Wallace to appeal the decision. The Court of Appeals of Indiana affirmed the previous ruling, agreeing that there was no evidence to support the battery instruction. It held that the instructions on contributory negligence and incurred risk were appropriate, as they addressed the question of whether Wallace was aware of the risks involved and whether Rosen could also be seen as at fault. The court found that any error made in the given instructions did not affect the defendant's substantial rights, and thus reversal was not required. The court also ruled that IPS and Rosen were not entitled to attorney fees.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.